Few weeks after a speculative article was published on the Diplomat magazine regarding centre's plan to swap land with Myanmar involving Manipur's territory, Ministry of External Affairs has confirmed that India and Myanmar are engaged in discussions to resolve an undemarcated stretch of their shared border in Manipur. Addressing a press briefing in New Delhi, MEA spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal responded to questions about reports of a possible land exchange with Myanmar. Randhir Jaiswal said there are certain areas on the border which are yet to be settled. Discussions on those sectors are ongoing. While Jaiswal did not explicitly confirm reports of a territorial swap, his remark came after a July 17 report by US-based magazine The Diplomat claimed that New Delhi was actively examining such a proposal. The article had claimed that Indo-Myanmar border stretch under discussion is about 2.8 kilometers long and falls in Manipur's Chandel district, bordering Myanmar's Kavo Valley in the Saigon region.
Regarding Myanmar, India-Myanmar border issues, there are certain areas on the border between the two countries which are still to be settled, and discussions on those particular sectors are going on between the two sides.